of your life. So don't allow another person to dictate how you feel. Don't allow another person to steal your joy. Don't allow the circumstances of this world to steal your joy. We are coming here and we are becoming happy every day. Not everything is all because we choose to. Say, Father, regardless of what is happening, regardless I'm going to walk boldly and I'm going to serve you and I'm going to wear nice. I'm going to look good for my God. I'm going to be everything. Not because everything is wet, because I know that my peace comes from Him, comes from God. It doesn't come from anyone. So so you are not happy because somebody said something. You are not happy because somebody did something. You are not happy because you are not married yet. How are you postponing your happiness because we're meeting Munna or we're meeting Musadi? God is saying that today is the only day that you have. What makes you think that tomorrow you'll be here? So why are you postponing your happiness because of the things that you don't have? And God wants to remind us that your happiness is your responsibility. Don't tell the people that I will be happy when I have a car. No. Be happy without a car because God has given you happiness and peace. So your peace does not come from the material things. As God is saying, I give peace not like the world does, but we want the world to give us peace, and the world does not have peace. And we